So what we're working on today, first we're going to be working on how to do a proper push-up. So right here, Katie's laying on the floor with her stomach touching the ground, her toes are tucked, her hands and arms are shoulders width apart. What she's going to do is she's going to push up, coming up into a high plank position. With this, you want to make sure that your body is completely straight. You don't want to have your hips raised up. I'm going to have Katie show what it's like to do improper, hips raised, or with the hips sunken down lower. You don't want it that way. You want to make sure that it's a complete and straight line right here. Whenever Katie goes down into doing a push-up, she doesn't go all the way down to the ground. She comes all the way back up. Now, if this is a little bit too difficult, that's okay. You can go ahead and she's going to put her knees on the ground and do the same exact move, just with your knees on the floor. Now, what we're going to work on next is we're going to come up into a high plank position. Right here, it's a high plank, and what she's going to do is do a pike up. So with the pike up, she's raising her hips up to the air, forming a pike position. To come back down into a high plank, and that's a pike up. Now what she's going to do is we're going to work on our lunge. With the lunge, you start standing, and with your front leg, she's going to take one step forward, coming up into a 90-degree angle right here, making sure that her knee doesn't go above her toe. She's going to come all the way back up and switch to the opposite side. Again, making sure this knee doesn't go above the toe and everything's in a 90-degree angle. Now what we're going to work on is a sit out. With a sit out, she's going to come up into a high plank position once again, making sure everything is straight. She's going to open up the left hand out to the side, taking her right foot, threading it through, and coming into almost a side plank. You want to make sure that you're straight just like she is. You don't want your hand to be forward or too far back. You want to make sure it's all in alignment and right here and straight. She's going to come back into a high plank position and open up the opposite direction. This is her right arm open with her left leg threaded through. She's going to come back into a high plank position, and that is how you go ahead and do a proper push-up, pike up, lunge, and sit out. Thanks for watching.